This week we've given an update on a number of services. So first of all, on Friday the 22nd of this month, we'll be reopening the recycling centres. That is something that the public have been pressing us for, but we've been cautious to open. Councils across Wales have been putting plans in place around this. We will be opening 2 extra CRC sites to try and help with demand, so we're asking people to be mindful when these sites do open. Please don't all turn up there in the first 48 hours. I know that a lot of people would have done their gardens, would have done work in their houses and will get rid of rubbish and recycling material. We've also this week then talked about Ynys Harald Park in Pontypridd. There is some finishing off work going on this week in terms of riverside fence repairs. There will be a crane in there next Monday and Tuesday lifting part of the new bridge in across to the new development. And then we're probably in a position where the park could open because it'll be safe for the public to use in terms of the work ongoing there. However, I've taken a decision that we'll keep the park closed over the bank holiday because of coronavirus and because of the risk of potentially a lot of people turning up there if it's nice weather like this. I've discussed it with the police. We think it's a sensible thing to do. So as it currently stands, we will be looking to review that then on the Tuesday, which is the 26th of this month. Other areas we've discussed this week is around libraries. The issue with libraries is that because coronavirus is quite high in Rhondda Cynon Taf, we have the highest number per 100,000 population. My view is we will not open libraries yet. What we are doing is looking at what is the safe way to do it in the future. So for example, we are making arrangements to put screens in to protect staff at the counter. We will be looking at zoning libraries so people can be kept apart, separating where the computers are. So we are looking at social distancing measures, and then there will be a limited number of people allowed to visit there at any one time. So there's lots of things going on. However, coming back to the main point yet again, Rhondda Cynon Taf, sadly, as of today, still has the highest rate of infection per 100,000 of population in Wales. So the lockdown continues in Wales, and therefore the message is, please try and stay home as much as you possibly can. Only go out for those really urgent things, essentials like work, food, medicines, or if you're caring for somebody. So if you can stay at home, please do so, and hopefully we'll see an improvement as we go forward in the coming weeks. Thanks.